And here we go, take off. This video is about the DJI Mini 3 and HDR photography. Now, if you're not familiar with HDR photography, high dynamic range, what it's going to do is take three bracketed exposures to get more detail out of the image. And our first image, we're going to fly down to this mini amphitheater over here. And it will take three images. We'll switch over to photography mode. And it'll be bracketed. So you can get more detail, more of the shadows, and more of the highlights. And there's our first image. HDR image, and we will fly to our next point. Next we're gonna go over to the YMCA building and we'll get a shot of the front of it. I don't know what this is right here. That is a small depression area. It goes down. I have no idea what that's for. So we got the YMCA building right up here, and we will fly over to the front of it, and we will take our second HDR image. And we are flying the DJI Mini 3 that I picked up a week ago. This is my second flight. And I saw it for an amazing price of $379, and that included the RC remote with the built-in screen. And here's our second image right there, and our third image. We came down a little bit in height for the third image. But yeah, that's the YMCA. And the images have more detail than if it was just one exposure. You see more of the shadows and more of the highlights, which are trimmed better. The highlights are brought down in exposure. The HDR image will take a balance. And what I do is I take the three images of each shot, the bracketed exposures, and I take it into a software program called Photomatix. I've had the program for maybe 6 years or so. And yeah, so I just go for the standard HDR image, nothing crazy looking. They have all sorts of different settings. But here we have the INSP headquarters, and we'll take our fourth image here. Amazing looking building, and here's our HDR shot right there. And we'll fly around, get a different angle from the back. I think it looks better, but it will depend on the angle of the sun. We will see. There's an airplane shadow. We'll turn around here. We'll see how it is. That's a man-made lake right down there. And that's Costco over in the distance. So we will swing it on around. And maybe come down in height a little bit. Try and get a good angle here. And getting ready for another HDR image. And there you have it. And there's another one. So our next shot will be of this office building coming up here. Now, you can see that this side of the building is dark because it's in the opposite of the sun. It's in the shadow of the sun. So with the low exposure, the longer exposure, it's going to bring out more detail of the shadow. And this is a good example to show you that. We'll come over here, come down just a little bit, and boom. And there you see some of the shadow detail. Alright, so now we'll fly up to the entrance. We have the chapel building up here. And I'm speeding these videos up just a little bit for the sake of time. Maybe 10% faster than normal. We are flying in cine mode. It gives us a nice smooth flight. This is what I usually fly in. And I haven't tried sports mode on this quadcopter yet, this drone. The Mini 3, and we will do that in the nearby future. So we have the INSP Chapel building and our Crossridge Cafe down there. And we back it up a little bit, include the water fountain. And that is our second to last HDR image. So now we'll fly on south to a nearby Target building, a Target department store. And this is Highway 521, Lancaster Highway in Indian Lands, South Carolina. So we have Target coming up after this roundabout on the left. You can see it on the upper left. And we will come down in altitude just a little bit, get a better angle on it, and shoot our last HDR image. And so far I've been very happy how the DJI Mini 3 is flying. I can tell that it's a slight improvement in the Mini 4K, and that's our last HDR image. And before we land, I'm going to come on down this road and we'll swing around the front of the YMCA again and just bring it on down. It's a nice sunny day, beautiful weather. It was a little bit windy when I took off, and the DJI Mini 3 is handling the wind with no problem whatsoever. So we'll bring it on down here and bang a left. We have the YMCA facility. Got the playing field over here. They play a lot of soccer over there. And as you can see, coming up on the YMCA building. And then we'll bring it right on down for landing. Now, as it was coming down, I thought the drone was making a crazy noise, But this bird was bothered that I was flying in his territory. You'll see his shadow a couple of times coming up here. But one of my fears of flying is a bird strike. I could hear him. I looked up and I saw him. I just saw his shadow there. You'll see it real good here in a second. He flew by again. But he wasn't happy at all that I was flying in his territory. There he goes. But we'll bring it on in for a landing. Thanks for watching.